Set 2 of the Real Rider wheel sets available directly from Mattel finally arrived. I had ordered these before I ordered set 3, yet set 3 arrived, I don't know, almost 3 weeks ago. But these finally got here. While set 3 was more of an off-road style set of wheels, group of wheels, and the first set seemed like classic American style for American car style, these on the invoice said import, and I believe they're more focused on import cars, maybe tuner cars. I don't know. You look at that set there, the exotic, and those pretty much look like Ferrari wheels to me. And if you take a look at the top left set that you're going to see here in a second, the classic 4-spoke, those are really tiny wheels. And so like I've done in the other videos, the video for set 1 and set 3, and I plan on doing for any other sets they release, I'm going to give you an idea of how large these wheels are. So if you go to fit a set or you're looking for a set for a specific casting, you'll have an idea. Yeah, see how tiny those are? You'll have an idea just what you're getting yourself into size-wise on these. The measurements are going to be in millimeters. I do get out the digital calipers here in a second. And we're just going to go through them one by one. And most of them are somewhat of a standard size, right there around that 11 millimeter mark for a lot of them, with the exceptions being the exotic set that has the really large rear wheel set. And again, like I mentioned, that top left set, the classic 4-spoke, they're just really freaking tiny. They remind me of some of the monoblock wheels, where I bought some of those before, and they're a very small wheel compared to what I typically use, which is probably why you haven't seen them in too many of my videos, because they're just too damn small for the cars I've been doing. But I do plan on doing more imports, so maybe they'll come in handy. This is an interesting looking set. I like the looks of basically all of these wheels, and I do think they look really good on the casting I chose. There you see how much smaller those are. Since this is an import design set, apparently, I thought, what the heck? Let's go with this one. I love this Liberty Walk Nissan that we have here, the 35 GT-RR. I think that's a great looking car. Yes, I do plan on customizing that in the not too distant future. And here you get to see it with each set of these wheels on it. Something to keep in mind about this box of wheels is they send you enough wheels to do 6 different castings. So you see when they talk about contents 2 sets of what you see here, it's a front wheel set and a rear wheel set of each design. They are still available from the Mattel website as of the date of the release of this video. So I hope you found this informative. Thanks for watching, and everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.